In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change initials in DocuSign, whether you're updating your information or just want a new look for your digital signatures. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your DocuSign interface. There, you'll find your profile icon. It's usually represented by a small circle with your initials or profile picture inside. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu, providing you with a variety of options associated with your account. Next, from the available options, you'll want to select My Preferences. This section serves as your control center for customizing how DocuSign functions and appears for your account. It's where you can adjust various settings to better suit your needs and preferences. Once you're in My Preferences, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a menu with multiple settings categories lined up. Look for and click on Signatures. As you might guess, this is where DocuSign stores your signature-related data, allowing you to manage your digital autographs. You're now in the Signatures section, and it's here that you'll see a list of all the signatures you currently have on file. Each signature includes details like your full name and initials. If you want to change your initials, the next step is to click on Add Signature. Although it may seem like you're creating something new, this process is necessary for updating your initials, because DocuSign doesn't allow direct modifications to previously created signatures, full names, and initials. After clicking Add Signature, a new window will pop up, allowing you to enter details for your new signature. Here, you'll have the opportunity to edit not only the full name, but also the initials associated with this new signature. It's an important point to note that while you must create a new signature to update these details, this can be done quickly and easily within this interface. Once you've entered your desired initials, take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. Then go ahead and click Create. With that, you've successfully updated your initials in DocuSign. This new signature will now appear in your list with the adjusted initials you've input. And there you have it. It's as straightforward as that. You've just learned how to change your initials in DocuSign. With these changes in place, your documents will reflect this new signature, helping you maintain professionalism while adapting to any changes in your preferences or personal details. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips on using DocuSign effectively.